So photo first, photo first. Smile, don't forget to smile. Alright, then we'll count down. Alright, so sabay-sabay tayo. We'll cut the ribbon simultaneously. Alright, ready? Are we ready? Okay. Okay, have your scissors ready. We just wanna, okay, in 3, 2, 1, cut. Woohoo! All right. Again, we'd like to thank the Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Ms. Melissa Henson, Ms. Inez Preisler, Ms. Risa Aguilas, and Ms. Princess Valora for officially opening the Expo Athlete Registration and Kit Claiming